makes
Yes,
some
we
sense.
Yeah, give me Tumblr.
Drama for a burger. Okay, we're here. We're in Rhode Island. We're getting Wendy's per stop.
Cup of water. Cup of water.
No, a water cup.
Oh, look at all the different sizes.
Oh,
Big candy.
I don't want to squeeze it. Yeah, perfect.
Straw.
Damn, I really need this so bad. Do you still eat Taco Bell, Sierra? Like, or is your body just like rejecting it now because you ate it so much as a teenager?
I still love it, and I will forever love it. And I think my body adjusted to it. I've had the same order my whole life.
What is it?
A chicken quesadilla. I knew it.
Yep.
And a bean burrito.
Yeah, yep.
Do you remember when we made that White Iverson video?
Me and you?
And you and Caress, and I filmed it on top of like the town center garage and the ocean front, and it was a whole video when White Iverson first came out.
I remember when that song came out and it was like the world shook.
Yeah, seriously.
It did. I don't remember us making a video for it though.
Yeah, we went to the beach, and I don't know, you guys just acted like you were Post Malone. Anyone want a fry?
I would like one fry. Thank you. The Guggenheim Museum is free between 4 to 5:30. It's like a pay what you wish, but I'm like, I'm just gonna give them 10 bucks and be like, this is what we wish. Okay, I've had these for so long. I got these in like 2017. Like, I've worn these literally every single day of my life to the point where like you can hear it's like breaking apart on the inside. Yeah, no.
You could eat them. If you were out in the desert and you were like wearing Crocs, you could eat your Crocs. Yes, Mama Jeff said that.
Damn.
Because it's like vegan. I think that's why. I was just like, no, I fully believe that you could eat a Croc. Like,
no, I fully believe it. Like, give me a plate, a fork, and a knife.
Yeah.
Like, we can test this out right now. Like,
yeah.
the vibes of everything. Do you want to buy it?
No.
Sandwich.
I might even just wake up a little bit early today and.
I like how you opened your laptop
I
for
know.
a single second. And
decided.
Were you about to work?
I was about to do some homework. I have like a paper due.
No.
Like, let me just eat first. Nope, done. 28?
I turned 29 in May.
In May?
You know what?
You don't gotta talk about it.
I'm skipping
And also,
29.
it doesn't-
I'm just gonna be 30 for 2 years in a row.
Oh, okay.
I feel like that's a better.
Yeah, you get
My
to
mom
like
used to
test
be like,
run
oh,
it.
I'm
Right. So by the time I actually turn 30, I'm like,
You're ready.
oh shit.
Like, wow, I'm not even 31 yet.
Right.
We're all like wearing the same sock.
Wait.
Isn't that like,
Wait.
Not this, but we'll keep it. Like bubblegum in a dish. Bubblegum in a dish. How many pieces do you wish?
Wait, no, you skipped yours. I saw
I
that.
doubled it.
No.
First round.
How many pieces do you wish?
You're next.
Bubblegum in a dish. How many people do you wish? How many people do you eat? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger. Bye, still. I'm out.
Have you guys watched SpongeBob, the like docu-pants
No.
on Hulu?
No.
You guys will watch
Docu-pants.
it's okay. It's like a murder documentary. Like they'll interview like therapists, police officers, everyone, but it's talking about SpongeBob episodes like they really happened.
Like a worm falling off.
Ow. Rock bottom. The Krusty Krab pizza is a pizza for you and me.
Dude,
No, Toronto.
My leg! The car horns for the cuss words.
The panty raid.
The egg sack. And they like break in the house and they like grab something. They put
Oh,
like
they're like the egg sack.
Or when it's like snowing in Sandy's house.
dirty damn.
Oh, I'm dirty damn.
Oh my gosh. time, huh? Yeah. Muscles.
Come on down.
Step right up. Let's see how high you can hit it. Oh, fuck. No. Oh. Okay, are you ready? Holy shit. I was trying to shove my fingers in this. I'm like, what? I don't think that's right. I panicked. Finish him.
I'll pull it out.
Okay. Oh shit! Wait, we did that so seamless. Now we're professional.
They got sweet treats also. Jada got the quiche. Ciara got the bacon, egg, and cheese. I got the turkey with peppers and smoked mozzarella, yeah.
First time eating in New York.
Oh yeah, that's right. This is Ciara's first time ever in New York. Aesthetically, they could have done better.
Yours is nice.
Yeah, mine does look.
For mine, aesthetics, I would say
It's a 6.
6.
Yeah, I was feeling that.
First thoughts? Really good. First bite test.
Not bad. Okay, what are you rating this? Bacon, egg, and cheese croissant.
Okay. Taste, I would say it's good, but it's like a good croissant. You know what I mean? It's not a special croissant.
Okay.
Like the bread is like the best bread.
Okay.
Definitely.
Okay, good. Yeah, mine was, well, I crushed it, so mine is gone. How's she gonna come to New York with a Boston tea? Represent. I am mad about it.
Look at that Taco Bell sign.
Show you later.
Oh!
Wow.
That is nice.
Wow.
However, you didn't ask for my
Yes,
consent.
you know what?
It's the only thing.
If you need my service, I do new one. Walking on the street for $10.
Well, you should ask people's consent before you take pictures of them.
No, because I am working.
Okay, that's fine. I can't buy one though.
Police station is over there. If you want to complain, no problem.
No,
but I am
no.
working.
No, I
Tómalo
get
con
it.
calma.
I get it.
Tómalo con calma. Let's go.
Well, you're gonna ask to buy a picture of me that I modeled in.
Yeah,
like,
right.
How about you pay me?
You could be sending those around. You don't know.
I caught that all.
You did?
All the drama.
I saw you.
Literally went up to him. I was like, "What are you doing here?"
Well,
sir,
I get it. However, I feel like it's mutual in that regard. I gave you something to take a picture of. So I should get it free. It should be a collaboration.
As he's walking by in the background.
Okay, but not me actually wanting to buy the picture though, because it's actually pretty good. I was talking mad crap, but I actually went back and bought the pictures from that guy. Yeah. Yeah. Worth $10, I think. Wait, where? Okay, so basically we're coming off of the train and we walked immediately into a protest. So I guess that's what we're doing today, guys. I have no idea where we should go for the library though. This is a library, but I'm assuming you can't go inside, maybe? Is the library closed?
It's open.
Oh,
But you have
okay.
to enter from 40th to 42nd.
We made it to the library. I feel like I'm at Hogwarts right now because of the archways and yeah, this is gorgeous. This is also another free thing that you can do. Lead the way, Jada. Lead the way, Ciara. Alright, so now we're going. That was the intro. So back to the video. Alright, so now we're going to the Guggenheim. Yep. Unfortunately, right now, a majority of the museum is closed off for new installations. You can see all of the things they're working on though, which is cool actually to see how it's slowly coming together.
Killer, man. How you been? Good, bro. I'm on my way to work right now and shit. Shit, man.
So we're here at Gotham Burgers. We got in a bit of a tussle because these two people took a table for 4, so then we didn't have a table. So Jada was like, "Oh, do you mind taking the two top so that we could sit here?" And one of the guys were like, "Yeah, no problem." But the guy that he was with was being a fucking dickhead, and he was like,
Say that to me.
yeah, he said, "You're lucky you didn't ask me that, because I would have said no." And he said that to her, so I went up to him and I said, "Well, you're lucky that you said that to her and not to fucking me." And then he started getting in my face, and then it was gonna blow up. I was clenching. Drama for a fucking burger, and we're on our last fucking limb right now. My phone's been dead for hours. Her phone is on 6%. Your phone's on what? Like 3 now. 3%. My button on my pants broke, so I'm shoving them into my tights so that they'll stay up. We're falling apart. Ooh, tater tots. These are smash burgers. Like it? Cheers. Okay, we're getting ready.
I love the outfit. Are those boxies?
I'm not done. Stop.
I love it.
Fit check. I have either this sparkle top with the capris or this burgundy top with the flared skirt.
I kind of see what that.
Dang, that's crazy. We both
The way y'all both going to different
I
ones.
do like the skirt, but like that.
Can you try them on?
Okay, yeah, I'll do a little fashion show. I actually don't like this shirt with it.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I can
Giving
see that.
Tumblr.
Or like, yeah.
What is
It's
that?
too
The store
much.
that closed down? American.
American.
Yeah.
I decided on this, but I need this because it's so cold. I don't know. We're just okay. We're leaving.
We're ready to go out.
Okay, bye. The fuck? Stop
That's
asking.
what you're gonna see. This is literally like a weapon. I'm like, okay.
Yeah. Wait. Place it on the floor again. Yeah. What the fuck do you have in there?
Girl, money. What you?
Damn. Okay.
Again, we can put it back.
More money. We get it.
More money. Yeah, I need this lip liner. See, like, this is like gummy bear and like yeah, that's the word. A little yeah. If you want to hang up a hook or anything, like, I got you.
Yeah.
Like,
Damn, you really could pay like
yeah. Told.
yeah, the $18 ones.
You know what it reminds me of? Have you ever seen Uptown Girls? She like goes in her freezer to take the money out. That's how I feel like when I shove my money under like that.
Hey, your mom was snowman.
Wait, I need my I voted sticker.
Need that.
You voted for who? This sounds like SpongeBob at his house music.
Tomatoes on the floor.
Tomatoes on the
Tomatoes on the floor.
It's raining. We did not plan for this. We thought it was done.
It's okay, we got this nice sweater over us. Cashmere sweater over us. Dude, if I was you, I feel like I'd walk outside all the time.
What do you mean?
Because no one cares here, I feel like. It doesn't matter what you look like or what you're doing. Nobody cares.
Nobody cares.
No, man.
I'm not far behind.
Hold on. We got a chicken taco and a steak taco, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I need this.
No onions, of course.
Ooh. Wait, this is for me?
Just for you. No, you put them both in here. What is this?
What is this? Which one is this chicken? Which one? And one is supposed to have no onions.
Wait. This one has no onions.
See, this is
one
what
has
you
onions.
get at 2 in the morning.
This one has steak, and this one has half steak, half chicken. Like, if you look at it.
Yeah, what?
I figured. Hold on.
This girl, what's going on? Damn! What car did you go to?
Shimon torta.
Damn. Yeah. That shit's looking good. She's like, yeah.
Chicken. No. Hold on, Alice. I had it all in there. I hope you saw it.
New York! New York! New York! New York!
What is this?
I didn't wake up till 12:30. Yeah. You woke up at 11. Jada?
I would say like 10:30, 11.
Okay.
I got a pizza slice.
You got a pizza slice for breakfast?
for
I
breakfast.
got a bacon, egg, and cheese.
That she's still sitting on.
Yeah. I was looking back at my photos. The first one we took was like at 12:34. And then the last pictures we were taking was like at 7. And I'm like, damn, we had a long day.
Yeah. Waking up at 5.
Driving 3 hours.
Sleeping 2.5.
Library, Guggenheim, Times Square.
Protest.
Protest. Yeah. Burgers.
The club.
The club.
That was so much fun.
Oh yeah, we'll do this again for sure. We didn't even get to do everything that was on the list. So.
And that was just one day.
That was just one
That was
day.
just one day.
Next time. All right. Bye. Thanks for